Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the workbook where recipients can access it. Save to OneDrive, Google Drive, or a shared network folder so you avoid large attachments. Once saved, set permissions explicitly, choose View Only if you want to protect formulas, or Edit if collaboration is required. After adjusting permissions, copy the shareable link provided by the cloud service. This link is the core of what you'll paste into your email, because it keeps the file live and avoids version. Now draft the message around the link so recipients know why they should click. Write a clear subject and first sentence that explain the file and action needed. Paste the share link plainly in the body and follow it with short instructions, which sheet to open, cell ranges, or deadlines. If the link requires a specific account or expires, call that out. Once done, add recipients and optionally BCC managers. Double-check permissions before hitting send to avoid access errors. Finish by sending and verifying access so the link actually works. You should test it by sending the same email to yourself or a colleague. Then open the link in an incognito window to confirm public access behaves as expected. If someone reports problems, immediately check sharing permissions and whether the file sits in a restricted folder. If permissions remain problematic, resend a corrected link or include a locked PDF copy as a fallback. That one troubleshooting step prevents delays and preserves content integrity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.